Welcome back to Future Wheels. GMC has just revealed something wild, the all-new GMC Hummer X concepts, and they might be the most exciting Hummer designs we've seen in years. Unlike today's massive Hummer EV, the new Hummer X comes in both pickup and SUV forms, with a much smaller, mid-size footprint. Think of it as GMC's vision for a future rival to vehicles like the Bronco, Wrangler, and even upcoming electric adventure SUVs. But don't let the smaller size fool you. These concepts are built for serious off-road action. The SUV features over 13 inches of ground clearance, aggressive approach and departure angles, huge 37-inch tires, beadlock wheels, and advanced multi-matic suspension components designed to tackle extreme terrain. One of the coolest features is GMC's new Hummer Hub system. It includes a scout drone that can actually fly ahead on the trail, scan obstacles, and send real-time terrain information back to the vehicle. That's something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The interior is just as futuristic, featuring customizable stackable displays that drivers can configure depending on whether they're rock crawling, exploring trails, or cruising on the highway. GMC is also experimenting with a new manufacturing process called FLEX FAB, which works almost like 3D printing for metal. This allows faster production of unique designs without traditional stamping methods and gives the Hummer X its rugged, exposed bolt styling. Sustainability was also a major focus. Many interior components are made from recycled materials, and the vehicle is designed to be easily disassembled and recycled in the future. Now, before you get too excited, GMC says these concepts are not headed for production. Instead, they're being used as rolling laboratories to test new technologies, manufacturing techniques, and future design ideas. Still, judging by the overwhelmingly positive reactions online, many enthusiasts would love to see a smaller, lighter Hummer become reality someday. Would you buy a mid-size Hummer X if GMC actually built one? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more future car reveals right here on Future Wheels.